Now exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Find the radian of the following degree. You have to find radian. And first question is 25 degree. When degree convert into radian, you have to apply this formula. 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. Okay. So 1 degree equal to pi upon 180 radian. So 25 degree. So 25 multiplied by pi upon 180 radian. So 5 5 is 25. 5 divided by 180, that is 36. So 5 into pi, 5 pi, and 36 radian. Okay. But in second question, 40 minus 47 degree and 30 second. When you have to convert radian into degree, first question is informing only degree. But in this question, degree as well as minute. This is minute and double dash is second. Okay. So in this question, 47 degree 30 minute. So you have to convert a minute into degree. So 47 plus 30 upon 60. 30 minute means 30 upon 60. 0 cancel, 3 to 0, 6 means 1 upon 2. 47 plus 1 upon 2. So you have to take LCM. 2, 94 plus 1, that is 95 degree. Same question is there. So 95 upon 2 degree. So you have to convert a 95 upon 2 degree in radian. So apply this formula. 1 degree equal to pi upon 80, 180 rad means radian. So 95 upon 2, 95 upon 2, minus sign is there, multiply by pi upon 180 rad. So 5, when 5 divided by 95, 19, when 5 divided by 180, 36. So 19 pi upon 72 radian. Okay. So this is 1 degree equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60. Then question number 2, find the degree. You have to find degree when radian is given. So when radian is given, you have to find degree. So this formula, 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi degree. So 11 upon 16 equal to 11 upon 60 multiplied by 180 upon pi is 22 into 7. So 11 2 ya 22, 2 180 90, 2 8 ja 16, 45. So 45 multiplied by 7 upon 8, right? So this term 45 into 9, 315 upon 8 degrees, right? So 3 upon 15, 8. You have to solve like this. 8 divided by 315. 8 in 3 is 24. 7 5 9 8 is 72. That is 3. So you have to write like this. 39 3 upon 8 or 39 plus 3 upon 8. Both are same. So you have to write like this. 39 degree plus 3 upon 8 degree. Simply you have to see that you have to remove fraction, means denominator. Answer comes in only numerator. So 39 plus 3 upon 8 degree. So 1 degree equal to how many? 60 second. Okay. So this 39 degree plus 3 upon 8, this is degree. When you convert degree into minute, multiply by 60 minutes. Okay. So 39 plus 3 upon 8, 60. So 2 4 is 8, 30 and 2 15. 15 3 is 45. So 45 upon 2 minute. Okay, then this 45, see this 45 upon 2, you have to write 45 upon 2, 2, 45, 4, 2, 5, 4, 1. You have to write 22, 1 upon 2 or 22 plus 1 upon 2. Both are same. You have to write this. So 39 degree plus 45 upon 2, you have to write this 22 plus 1 upon 2. Okay. Right. So that is numerator upon denominator, you have to remove 1 upon 2. So 39 degree plus 22 minute plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 60 second. Minute convert into second multiplied by 60. So 230. So answer is, last answer 39 degree, 22 minute and 30 second. This is final answer. Then question number second part, minus 4 degree radian. So 1 radian equal to 1 upon 80 upon pi degree. So 4 into 180 upon pi is 22 multiplied by 7. So 2 and this is 11, right? So 180 into 7 into 2, 2520 upon 11. So this. So when 11 divided by 2520, see this. 11 divided by 2520. So 11 to the 22, 3, 2, 11 to the 22, and 11 9 ja 99, 1. Right? So you have to write like this: 229 1 upon 11 or 229 plus 1 upon 11. Right? So you have to write, minus sign is there, minus sign, then 229 degree plus 1 upon 11 degree. Right? This is numerator upon denominator. You have to remove denominator, degree, and degree convert into minute multiplied by 60. So minus 229 degree plus 1 upon 11 multiplied by 60. They convert into minute. You have to write 1 degree equal to 60 minute. Right? So minus sign is there. 229 plus 1 upon 60 upon 11. So 60 upon 11, right? So 60 upon 11 means again divided by 60 upon 11. 11 divided by 60. 11 by 55. 5. So 5 upon 11 or 5 plus 5 upon 11. You have to write like this. Minus sign is there. 229 degree plus 60 upon 11, 5 plus 5 upon 11, right? So 5 upon 11, again this is numerator upon denominator. You have to convert a minute into second. So See this. 229, 229, 229 degree plus 5 minutes, 5 minutes plus 5 upon 11 multiply by 60 seconds, because 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 229 degree plus 5 minutes plus 6 5 ja 30, 300 upon 11, right? So 300 upon 11 you have to divide 11 upon 300, 22, 77, again 22, again 70. So 27.77. So you have to write 229 degree, 5 second, 5 minute and 27.27 approx. So this is your answer. This is minute. Okay. Then question number 3. Same question is there. You have to find radian into degree. So 180 upon pi. This is formula. So 5 pi upon 3 multiply by 180 upon pi. So pi cancel, 3 60, 5 into 60, so 300 degree, right? And fourth question is there. Same question is there. Same apply formula. 1 radian equal to 180 upon pi, right? So 7 pi upon 6. 7 pi upon 6 multiply by 180 upon pi. Pi cancel. 6 3 is 18. 7 into 30, that is 210 degree. All of you understood? Then question number 3. A wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? So in 1 minute, how many revolution? 60. In 1 minute, number of revolution of wheel is 360. 1 minute in 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Same. Either 1 minute or 60 seconds. Number of revolution of wheel is 360. So in 1 second, in 60 seconds, number of revolution of wheel is 360. In 1 second means 360 upon 60. So that is 6. So in 1 revolution, angle equal to 360. 360 2 pi radian, or 360 multiply by pi upon 180. 360 divided by 180, that is 2. So 2 pi radian. So in 6 revolution means number of revolution, how many revolution? 6. So in 6 revolution, angle equal to 2 pi multiply by 6. So 6 into 2, 12 pi radian. Okay.